Would you like a free printable template to make this box envelope? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina, I'm the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns, and today I have a freebie for you. If you print this template on one side of sturdy paper and the very pretty paper of your choice on the other side, then you can make a lot of these gift boxes. You can make as many as you like or just one when you need it. These make excellent money gift envelopes. You can stack 1/4 of an inch of money bills in there, or a beautiful letter with a gift card, or a beautiful letter to a friend with a small token of friendship. You name it, if it fits in there, it's perfect. I'm going to make mine a bit more chic today, but you can go modern or steampunk. The crafting world is your oyster. To download this free template, just click on the link in the description. And enough said, time to make this. This is a template that you get, and I printed it on 300 grams of paper. It's about 110 lb cover. So it's a very heavy paper, but for a box, it doesn't matter. It's just a bit hard to work with. If you're not too familiar with working with paper, I suggest using half that weight. And on the other side, I printed one of our aquamarine and gold shabby papers. So you see it's very shabby. There's not a lot of gold in this paper, but I quite like it. Also, the envelope direction is that way, so it's the most pretty to also have a pattern that goes that way. Okay, and the first task is to cut all this out. You can use a paper trimmer for the first sections, but I'm just going to use my scissors. By the way, I just cut this off, and it says if you want some exclusive designs for free, just go to that link and subscribe to our mailing list. So, this is when it looks like when it's cut out, and it has a very nice pattern on the outside, on the back. By the way, this is very quality paper, of course, and the offcuts, if you don't want to waste anything, just take one of your decorative punches. Just punch these out until you don't have any leftovers left, and just store them for a future crafting project. So the next thing I want to do is to cut out this slit. And of course for that I need some protection, a metallic ruler, a craft knife, but since this is such heavy paper, I'm not going to use a regular craft knife. I'm going to use my heavy-duty craft knife. You can choose to just cut once, like this. But if you like, you can also cut out the whole box so that your slit is a bit wider. And next job is to score all these 8 lines, 2 on each side. Since this is heavy paper, I really have to get in there on my scoreboard. You can use, of course, a regular ruler and a scoring tool, an embossing tool, that's perfectly fine. But this is just so much faster. Also, these lines are 1/4 of an inch apart, so I don't have to move the envelope. I can just take it 1/4 of an inch further. Same on this side. So there. And then I'm going to take my best friend, the whole crafting world, my bone folder, and just fold all these lines. Especially with thicker paper like this, then you can really get in there without hurting yourself. So, and there's our box. To assemble, just the small flaps inwards, the bottom flap, and then just the top flap. There. And there's your little box envelope ready. Now to close it, you can just tie a ribbon around it, close it with some washi tape, some beautiful tape, leave it as is, or as I like to do, ta-da! I'm going to use a wax seal. And for that you need a wax seal stamp. I got one with a V from VectoriaDesigns, and some wax, a wax stick. And I'm going to use a gold one because I think it really matches the pattern. Just drip some wax on there till you think you have enough. I like, if it's possible, to make a bit of a star shape out of it. You see, I have some extra bubbles on the side. And then make sure your seal is the right way. And just stamp. Hold it. And release. And you can really press on this. It won't leave, if you have a good stamp, it won't leave any residue. And there, how pretty is that? So, that's your freebie for today. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have some friends that would like this too, just share this video link so they can find this video too. Have a crafty day, my friends, and see you next time.